Fascinating psychology, facts about the human body. Engaging in sex is one of the most effective natural ways to reduce stress. It helps lower blood pressure and promotes relaxation. Having sex at least 3 times a week can make you look up to 7 years younger. During an orgasm, the average person's heart races at approximately 140 beats per minute. Sex can also act as a natural remedy for headaches. Research has revealed that sperm can travel as far as 7 inches within an hour. On average, a single sexual session burns around 100 calories. If you're sexually drawn to someone, you'll find it much harder to lie to them. Interestingly, a woman's sexual desire tends to peak just before her period. When aroused, a woman's breasts can increase in size by up to 25%. All the sperm necessary to repopulate the Earth could fit into a single aspirin capsule. It's also fascinating that your nasal tissues swell during sex. The typical male orgasm lasts about 6 seconds, while the average female orgasm is around 20 seconds long. Sex is said to be 10 times more effective than Valium at reducing anxiety. The average vagina measures 3 to 4 inches in length, but can expand by as much as 200% when aroused. However, shaving the pubic area can increase the risk of contracting an STI. Men who experience 1 orgasm daily may lower their risk of developing prostate cancer. Studies have found that good sex stimulates the area of the brain responsible for feelings of love. According to research from 2010, men who have sex at least twice a week reduce their chances of heart disease by nearly half. On average, men experience 11 erections throughout the day and 9 more while sleeping. Women who engage in sex at least once weekly are more likely to have regular menstrual cycles. The fear of erections, known as ethophalophobia, can significantly impact individuals. Men reach their sexual peak around 17 years old. Interestingly, married people tend to masturbate more often than those who are single. Most women prefer dimly lit settings over brightly lit environments when engaging in sexual activity. A woman can reach orgasm within about 4 minutes through masturbation, whereas it generally takes 10 to 20 minutes during intercourse. Over his lifetime, a man ejaculates around 17 liters of semen, containing approximately 500 billion sperm. It only takes about 2 tablespoons of blood to produce an erection. Meanwhile, the clitoris has over 8,000 nerve fibers, almost double the number found in the penis. Ever wondered why it's challenging to urinate immediately after sex? It's because orgasms release an antidiuretic hormone in the body. However, urinating after sex can help reduce the risk of urinary tract infections. A healthy man can produce enough sperm in just 2 weeks to theoretically impregnate every woman on Earth. Sperm that's ejaculated outside the body survives only a few hours, but inside the vaginal canal, it can live for 3 to 5 days within cervical mucus. Sex enhances pain immunity. Orgasms release hormones that elevate your pain threshold. Interestingly, only 18% of women are able to orgasm through vaginal penetration alone. People who enjoy kinky sex are often found to have better psychological health. Sleep-deprived men are more likely to misinterpret women's interest as sexual desire. Surprisingly, studies suggest that men experience more emotional pain than women following a breakup. Psychology reveals that we're naturally drawn to people who smell appealing. Ginger, a natural aphrodisiac, can stimulate feelings of sexual excitement. It increases heart rate and blood flow, setting the mood for a passionate night ahead. Women who suffer from migraines are often found to have a stronger sex drive. After a workout, your body releases testosterone and increases blood flow to the genital area, making it an ideal time for intimacy. When aroused, a man's testes can grow up to 50% in size. Some individuals even experience orgasms during exercise due to repetitive core movements. living alone has been linked to a 42% higher likelihood of developing depression, according to recent studies. If you found this video interesting, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to check out our other videos. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.